My AC unit decided to take a vacation at the height of a heat wave, and because I narrowed down the issue to a blown capacitor, I bought a replacement from Amazon and decided to fix it myself. One way to tell whether or not it's the capacitor, aside from using a voltmeter, is to turn off the unit, turn it back on, go outside, and wait for a humming sound. Once you hear that sound, try and spin the fan with the screwdriver. If the fan spins continuously, but slower than usual, that's a clear indicator. Step 1. Remove the breaker. Make sure to keep it in the same position. Step 2. Remove the screws from the cover and pry it open. Okay, so I didn't realize this, but if you want your AC to run efficiently and increase its lifespan, do a cleaning at least once a year. And here's the capacitor. There should be 2 screws holding it down, at least in this unit. Now it's pretty rusted over, so I can't see any of the labels. That's okay. Unplug all the wires and set it aside. Just a word of caution, do not let any of the wires touch each other. Next, connect the new capacitor. Depending on your capacitor, you may have double sets of prongs like this one, since it's a dual capacitor. So in this case, you'll want to put the brown wire to the fan, and you can pick any prong, the left or right, it doesn't really matter. And next you're going to use the orange wires and plug them in to the C, which is the common. Plug in both wires to the C. Lastly, the purple wire goes to Rheem. Capacitor wiring is about what each wire does, not what the color is. On most diagrams, they use standard colors like black for common or brown for fan. But in this particular unit, they use orange wires instead of black. So if you see 2 black wires, those are most likely the common. Just make sure to check the schematic inside your unit. The key is to trace where the wire comes from in the diagram and where it connects to the capacitor. Okay, the hard part's done. Now just fasten it back to the control box. The last step is to put the breaker back in and close the breaker box. The fan should now be running at full speed and you should feel warm air rising up. Just a few words of caution to end this video. 1. Do not let the capacitor wires touch. 2. Remember to remove the breaker prior to doing any work. 3. Shut the breaker off inside your home just as a precaution.